Real farm mom here. So I'm actually gonna do a couple of review videos on this deer feeder because I want you guys to see how cool this is. It honestly is one of the cooler things we got. So we're actually not gonna use this for deer. I don't have a place to hang it out in the pasture. We're gonna use this for our chickens. And so what we do is we put all our chicken feed in these and it kicks it out once a day. They all come running, they eat it all up, which is great because mice can't get in it. And it just, I don't know, it has made a world of difference for our coop. So I did wanna show you when this is folded up, literally how small this is. So if you need storage for any reason, super tiny. It does come with a screwdriver and screws, and it also comes with batteries. But look, this is what it looks like when it is folded out. I mean, how nice is this? Super easy to put this piece on. That was quick and easy to just go ahead and snap in. The other thing I love about this one is it is solar capable. So yes, it will run off of batteries. It took 4 AA's that, like I said, were included, but let's get that nestled in there. But it also comes with the capabilities to put a solar panel on it. So all you have to do is hook that bad boy up, hang it up, and it is going to do its thing on your time. All right, let's get this thing hung up, get some food in it. Maybe we can get some critters to come over to it, and we'll see it in action.